As businesses grow, they face increasingly complex accounting needs that go far beyond basic bookkeeping. So it's important that you have a software that can scale with your business. So today, I'm going to walk you through the QuickBooks Online platform to show you how it can help you manage some of these complex needs. As companies expand geographically or add divisions, they need separate financial tracking for each location or business unit. With QuickBooks, you could do this by navigating to your account and settings here. For this demo, I've created an account with artificial data, and I'm on the QuickBooks Online Advanced plan. So scrolling down, you'll see the category options. QuickBooks uses classes to help you organize transactions beyond standard account categories. So by assigning classes, you can group together transactions across multiple accounts. For example, by department, location, or project, which makes it easier to compare performance and see which areas of your business are the most profitable. You can assign one to each transaction or to each individual row. If you want to assign transactions to different locations, like stores and sales regions, you can do that here. We're just going to leave it labeled as location for now. Now, to show you what this looks like in practice, I'm going to start a new invoice. You can categorize your location up at the top, and then you can select the class for each transaction row. And these are just labels that I made up. You can create any class name here that you want. It's all very easy to see when you're creating an invoice, and the advanced plan allows, I believe, unlimited classes and locations, so it's especially great if you need to handle this at scale. Growth also demands more sophisticated reporting capabilities rather than just simple profit and loss statements, and QuickBooks can help with this via its advanced reporting features. For example, here you can see a KPI scorecard. You can view it by date, compare to another period, and break it down by category. You can manage what's shown on your KPI scorecard by adding or removing those here. And you can create new KPIs by simply filling in the details here. And you can build a formula using existing metrics, or you can enter it manually, giving you a lot of flexibility in what metrics you're tracking. Another way of custom reporting is your dashboard capabilities. Here you see several standard dashboards, but you can also create your own. Simply add your data, format your text here, and then an AI summary would appear here. These reporting capabilities allow you to get real-time insights without running multiple reports. And I like that it's very customizable. Next, I want to talk about custom user permissions and workflows, which are essential for growing businesses. QuickBooks lets you invite people to your books to help with company operations and bookkeeping. And this advanced plan allows for, I believe, up to 25 billable users with custom roles and then 3 accountant seats. To add a user, you simply enter their first and last name and an email, and then you can assign their role. There are several pre-built role permissions, which you can see here, and it breaks down exactly what each role has access to. One thing I really liked is that it also shows you role descriptions here, so you can compare your options and see which custom role-based permissions are the best fit for this user. You can also set up automated workflows to streamline certain processes, such as automating approval processes for expenses or purchases. It's as simple as selecting what you want to automate, and then you can customize the details from here. These types of workflows can help prevent unauthorized transactions and fraud as your team grows. One final feature I want to mention is fixed asset tracking. You can add a fixed asset here, or you can add multiple assets at once. If you're a growing business with several assets, this can be a real game changer. So you can manually add in each of these details for your assets, or you could import a file with up to 100 transactions on it if you have that. And I like that you can customize the columns as well by adding, removing, and rearranging them. Since you can add equipment, vehicles, and property directly into QuickBooks Online, this eliminates the need for separate asset management software, which I thought was great. So let's recap some of the complex accounting capabilities that you can access with QuickBooks as your business grows. You can track multiple entities and locations, access advanced financial reporting and custom KPI dashboards, set custom user permissions and workflows, and track your fixed assets all from one platform. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more business-related content. And check out some of our other QuickBooks Online videos. I've got some of them linked to the description below.